Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and hope you're having a lovely day. Today I just want to give a short video overview of a new plastic scale model that I've got coming in, which is the Fujimi Williams FW14B from the British Grand Prix in 1992. Now I've done lots of scale models before, but primarily from Tamiya. I've done a couple from Revel and a couple from Italeri before, but never a Fujimi. So I just was keen to do a video to show you the difference between and what the quality was like. Now I hope the quality is good because I've actually got three of these through the post. I've got this one, I've also got an Ayrton Senna 1991 McLaren and a Michael Schumacher 2006 Ferrari. I've had a quick peek into them all and I'm pleased to say but I'm really impressed with the quality and I can't wait to get started on these, especially the iconic cars that I've chosen. So the Williams FW14B dominated the 1992 season, especially in the hands of Nigel Mansell, who won 9 of the races that year, before actually announcing his retirement at the end of the year, but that was due to other circumstances. Now the 14B was a mechanical evolution of the already successful FW14, which they raced in 1991. But, like its predecessor, it featured a semi-automatic gearbox, traction control, and a much more refined active suspension, which really gave it the edge over its opponents and allowed them to actually beat Ayrton Senna in the year, with Nigel Mansell coming first and Riccardo Patrese coming second. So it was a great year, and I also think this car is beloved by Formula 1 just because, well, Formula 1 fans in general, because of the colour scheme. It's a great looking car, especially with that tobacco sponsorship on there. In my opinion, it looks far better than anything that we've got today. Now, when you crack open the box, as you can see on the picture in front of you, there's lots of different parts in here. There's about 160 different parts with really good details. No sort of cheap plastics, there's hardly any flash in any of the sprues from what I've seen. And in front I've also laid everything out and you can see there's lots of different stuff there. No wires, cables, etc, but you don't on the Tamiya ones either at the 1:20 scale. If you want those you'd have to go for the 1:12 scale. And what I'm particularly impressive as well in the box is the decals. Really good quality decals. I particularly like the fact that they've put in a masking sheet as well, and the instructions fully reflect when to use those and how. I do also add my own masking, as you want to minimise the bleed as much as possible when it comes to spraying the furring, especially on something that's got as complicated exterior as this one. But like I say, what a great looking car. It also doesn't come with the tobacco decals for Camel, but they're easy to get hold of on eBay, so there shouldn't be any trouble with those. Now one thing that is a little bit different than Tamiya and the other makes is obviously the instructions. So the paint codes are different, but there is lots of different conversion charts online. So they're actually called H codes on the Fujimi instructions by the looks. So it'll tell you on the instructions paint this part H1, which is say black, but there is a full conversion charts like I say online, and they do seem very in depth. As you can see from the video in front of you, they basically go through the different steps, stage by stage, of what to paint, how to put the car together, and everything is very similar to Tamiya, just with the different paint codes. So yeah, really, really good. I'm really impressed with what I've seen so far. Now what I want to do for you is just basically shut up and give you a chance to see all the different sprues. I've taken a video of each of them just to give you a bit of a better in-depth quality look at the quality of the plastics and the moulding itself, which like I say, personally I'm very impressed with. Very little flash. Take a look for yourselves. hope you can see from those videos that the quality is very impressive. Really looking forward to making a start on these now, and I will post a video once I've done the car and you can see the finished result. Just finally, before shutting down the video, I just wanted to give a shout out to where I actually purchased these from, which is the website in front of you now, which is Plaza Japan. Sell a bit of everything on here, but they have quite a few plastic model kits on. I definitely recommend, if you're into these, just giving this website a quick look. Obviously all I did was search for Fujimi 1-20. It'll show you the products that they've got in stock at the moment, and I'd say they're about half the price of what I can get them in the UK on eBay. With the 3 models, including FedEx delivery, it was £100, which I think is pretty good when these 3 models are £50 each online, and that's without the postage on top. So yeah, I was really impressed, and I even purchased some between Christmas and New Year, and they came within about 5 days. I had no problems whatsoever. They provided me with a tracking number, and FedEx kept me updated with when I'd actually received them through the post. It was really smooth. So I just wanted to give a quick final shout out to Plaza Japan. Definitely recommended from me. Now, hope you've enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and have a lovely rest of your day. Thanks everyone. Bye.